Namaskar bachon, hope you all are well and you are doing the assignment given by me in a very good way. As you know that we have completed chapter 1 which is Roman numbers and chapter 2 which is large numbers. And today we will start chapter 3 which is operation on large numbers, and in this chapter we will do addition. So you are familiar with the four basic mathematical operations which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four are the basic mathematical operation. From these we shall perform addition with the large numbers. So for addition, first I will start with the terminologies which are addend and sum. Now there is one question mark in your mind that what is addend and what is sum. So let us take one example which will be for addition, add, here you can see that these two are the large numbers which is 25 2 crore 56 lakhs 98,769, and the other one is 93 lakhs 87,862. So for the addition, first we write these digits on their place value. So first we will start the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. And we are placing the digit from the rightmost place according to their places. So this 9 is on ones place, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 5 and 2. From the next number, again we are placing the digits on their place. So 2 is on ones place, 6, 8, 7, 8, 3, 9. And we denote every addition with the sign of plus. So we are starting the addition. Just before starting, you should know that what is addend and sum. So these two numbers are known as addends. The numbers which are to be added are known as addends, and the answer will be the sum. So what is the definition of addend and sum? The numbers which are to be added are known as addends and the required answer is sum. Now we are doing the addition. Here you can leave the one line gap just to put the carryover. Now we are starting from ones place. 9 plus 2, it's 11. So from 11, if you are having a 2-digit number, by adding any 2 digits, then from the 2-digit number, this number will be here and the other number will be carryover. Here you can see this number is the carryover. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 6, it's 13. 13, 3 here, 1 carryover. Again 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carryover. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, it's 16, 6 over here and 1 carryover. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, again 8 is here and 1 will be carryover. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, it's 10, 0 here and 1 carryover. 5 plus 9, it's 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 is here and 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. In this way you can do the addition for large numbers in which you know that these two large numbers are known as addends and the answer will be known as sum. And you can denote a addition with the sign of plus, and here you can leave one line gap just to put the carryover digits. So I hope it's clear to you, and you will be doing the question 1 from your book exercise. So it will be easy for you to understand the addition. In the next video, we will do subtraction.